In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable your active status online. So if you are unable to see the last activity online of your friends, then it means that this feature has been disabled. To enable it, just go over to this menu here on your Instagram app and then tap on it to open. Now under this, scroll down until you get this option called Messages and Story Replies. If you tap on this, look for this option called Show Activity Status. Now go ahead and tap on it, and as you can see, Show Activity Status, it is currently turned off, and that's why you can't see their last active time on their messages and your interactions. Go ahead and turn this on, and now you'll be able to see interactions and the last active times that your friends were on, and they will also be able to see your last active time. So that's how you do it. And if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, kindly hit the like button to support me and also subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.